Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. This is Chapter 7 of Spanish language course in which we are going to talk about past perfect tense. So these are the contents which we are going to cover in today's session. Introduction, imperfect verb endings and examples. So let's start. First of all, introduction. So in Spanish, past perfect tense is used to talk about a past action that happened prior to another action in the past. It is formed by combining haber in the imperfect form with a past participle. So to make this tense, there are two things, haber in the imperfect form and a past participle. So first let's see haber in the imperfect form. So haber ends in er, so it's an er verb. So these are the conjugations which we are going to consider for haber. For you, it's ia ending. For tu, it's ias ending. Now let's see a few examples to better understand this. So if I want to say I had already seen my mother, it would be había visto ya a mi madre. I had is había. So for first person singular, it's ia ending. So I had becomes había. Already is ya. Seen is visto. So the past participle of ver is visto. And my mother is mi madre. So that is how it is going to be. Now let's see another example. If you want to say you had read the book before her, it would be Usted había leído el libro antes que ella. Now you had is usted había. For usted it's ia ending. So you had is usted había. Read is leído. The book is el libro and before her is antes que ella. So that is how you are going to make this tense. Okay guys, this was it for this session. Thanks for watching.